Natural disasters such as wildfires, floods, tornadoes, landslides, hurricanes, and many others shall be observed in several regions around the world. These occurrences shall be rampant. Make prayers for the nations of the world.
Firefighters on the Greek island of Rhodes say they expect wildfires to get worse today as temperatures rise. Thousands of people have been evacuated from homes and hotels on the island. 3 hotels have reportedly burnt down, and many others are in the danger zone. Private boats have joined the Greek Coast Guard, picking people up from beaches on the east of the island. The fires have been burning for 5 days now. The country's deputy fire chief says the blazes in Rhodes are the most difficult Greece is facing. Azadeh Mashiri reports from the capital, Athens.
They came for blue skies, but met orange haze. Tourists have fled their resorts as fires engulfed parts of Rhodes.